Sinibusele nanamuhla babukeli be-Rubicon Sports Show. Asihambi ke sodwa, sihamba namuhla sine-guest lethu la Makhawe Fakuthe Matiko naye eTendzabeni Dalo phephandaba ka-Times of Eswatini Sports no weekend sports editor simbona kakhulu kumbe labanye bamati kuyo i-Legends Corner. Ukhona ke naye uSibusiso Masilela uvunganzele ngihlale nginaye cishe sonke isikhathi. Namhla kumbe singasho sikwilika ukuthi ngimbonile nalwazi Dlamini last week kodwa ke namuhla ngemsebenzi lemnyendi yelive nenkampani asingeke sibe naye namhla kodwa phela simbone ingakapheli iWorld Cup. Ngimvusele balingani bami.
Sebo kakhulu Phezos host ulangeni namhla ku Sport Show saka Rubicon. Sivusele nakubo abukeli bale Sport Show lesikhulu kangaka. Siyabonga ukuthi namhla sikhona sidohla tiyawo ibhola.
Sibusele babukeli be-Rubicon Media Sports Show kuyintokozo kuba nani tonfulethu netemhlaba.
Siyati ke babukeli ukuthi kunyeni lokwendeka bona yafuna kwade ekhaya kusikwendekani kodwa naleti hamba embili ngiyovela iWorld Cup indlebe yemhlaba 2026 ledlalako eUSA, Canada neMexico labakho-hostile. Sinemaveke la si-Africa nanathi la-10 ngasimelele including bomakhelwane labadvitane kakhulu iSouth Africa lesibonile idlala la i-first game navula iWorld Cup neMexico yadlala yadliwa 2-0. Nakhona kwaba ne-red card ya kumbe yathemba zwane nalamhla kumbe lekukhulunywa ngayo nasekubukelwa amanye amagame laqhubekile ikakhulu igame ye-Argentina ne-Algeria. Kulabanye bayakhuluma babeke ama-incidents lendekile sibonile nje Messi kwaqala kumbe lesikakhuluma ngakho ngoba ngiyena vele lokungiyona goat yebhola lesiyadiko lesikhanzile kule generation yethu kumbe nebantu babethu labayadiko labayikhanzile ngenhlanhla thina bana Ronaldo wase-Portugal lo dlaliyo yena itolo bekunene. Kodwa nesingakaqhubeki kakhulu Ronaldo asicale nganayi ya Messi kumbe irecord la yendile simbona u-equalizer 16 goal record leyanpe yashiwa nguMiroslav Klose wase-Germany. Hawes ungathini ngale Messi simbona kuna 38 years.
Hayi Messi uyaprove lokuthi uyembamba iGOAT. Benga expect lo ukuthi angawashala amagoli ang3 ku break another record. Kuyeniketa iArgentina ama chances ukuthi ingaphinza idefend le World Cup. Sibonile na Ronaldo itolo azama but hayi kwalile kuye. Kumneti pressure beyena going to the next generation sinaye azame ukuthi ashaye amagoli because sibonile labo Mbappe nabo bashaya amagoli bo Haaland. So ipressure seyihuye nyalo Ronaldo aside noma le pressure ithatha yini itayetela phazi iPortugal or itamenda ukuthi azame ukuthi naye aphushe because phela na uzobale sesiyabona ukuthi emalanga akhe iWorld Cup yakhe egcina vele definitely
Sikhuluma nga 41 years.
yes World Cup yakhe egcina lena and kukhuni kenyalo uyafuna kuyithatha World Cup angakayi koshala phansi ekhaya dlalisebantu bakhe.
Masilela kumbe nawe ubukele umdlalo wayitolo wayo iPortugal noma kumbe nawubuka nje ama results lendekile i-team yase-Africa iDRC lesike sayibona nanathi simaswati nayo ibonakala ibamba one of the global heavyweights njengoba sibonile nabo Morocco babamba bo Brazil sabona bo Ivory Coast ba record ama wins muthi ngabe ungathini overall ngale performance ema-African countries uqale nje kubena yayitolo.
Ngosi uteka yona kuvuka lithemba ukuthi simvule lemnyama itolo kulandela iperformance ye-DR Congo lesiyati kakhulu lathembe kuthiwa iZaire lebebabuya for the first time since 1974 kwi-World Cup. Sibone bamecha iPortugal pound for pound Dlamini bakhomba kungabe sabi sabona Yohan Wissa dodlala ku Newcastle equalize iPortugal besikade ukuthi game leta iwina ngobe 3-0 but sibona abafowethu base-DRC basimelela balwa yaze yaphela igame.
Speaking of the African countries uqedza kuthinza nje Mphotolozi indzaba yawo ama-African countries ye-DRC ukuthi imsurprisile indlela ledlalwe ngayo itolo cause bekagathi iPortugal ukuthi they will have a walkover maybe shaye bo 3 goals but indlela engakendeka sikubonile bekwendeka lokhu bekungaqali iWorld Cup sikubonile kule World Cup lena kwendeka iCape Verde lefikile nayo la khaya eSwatini liyadlala nesihlangu kuma qualifiers izifika le sikhuluma lana Makhawe nawe vukanze ngelive lenebalvu labalabo 500,000 nali sesilibona lihambile World Cup and their first World Cup game badlala nema one of the favorite countries top 5 favorites to win this World Cup Spain but isibone result iyaba favor ithi 1-1 what a big result.
Yeah, it's a big one for i-Africa. Loko sibuyisa sesikhuluma ngebhola sekusibuyisana nasekhaya ukuthi i-planning iyasita kuze ama-results abe khona. Siyibonile iCape Verde bekuyi-team lebesishayela naso siye-Eswatini but sidlala-ke nabo kuma-qualifiers basibhula sabona ukuthi no seyi-improve-ile le team. I was so happy vele ku-result yabo and kuyakhombisa ukuthi with proper development and proper planning live linga-reach-a greater heights.
Sibona neMorocco kumbe one of the countries nemehlo lakiwo as number 1 wase-Africa given i-performance yabo ku-AFCON naku-last World Cup. Baba ngilo live lelacishe lasimelela kakhulu si-Africa. Kuthi ngiyalo siyayibona iyabuya iyaqala idlala nayo i-Sweden. But ikala iphasi ikala ngemagoli la i-receive imvula yemagoli. Iqosha umqeqeshi emkhathini ifaka lo mondli. Lokho ucabanga ukuthi khona la beka khona yini?
I-Tunisia.
Yes.
Tunisia. Yeah, no. I wasn't expecting inang yabo considering ukuthi babuya phela labantu laba lapha ku-AFCON sebaligcine bawina ku-backroom decision. Bengingakazi ukuthi ingathola lamagoli langaka imvula yemagoli. Manje lesingasi-benchmark ngabo nathi si-Southern Africa ukuthi ma-teams esiwabukile ngiyo nje ihambisana nabo Tunisia nabo Morocco bo Ivory Coast. Kuyi-team lengithi mina le-Ivory Coast nje niyo lengayiniketa ukuthi ingahamba imugama omde kusimelela sima-African countries.
Okay. But sibonile ne-Egypt la kuna Mohamed Salah khona lesimate kakhulu ku-Liverpool e-England. Inayo ibamba live njenge-Belgium. Live lihlonishwa kakhulu emhlabeni ngebhola. Uthi le result leyo uyibeka phi i-live likaSoldep leli Africa ukuthi kumbe kuleyo group basengakhona ukuthi next game nababamba i-Belgium bangakhona ukuthi baphindze bayithole le result because I think their confidence right now is boosted and even the other countries la Africa. The way they play, I think they motivate each other now. I think it's working towards the favor of Africans to gain more confidence against this global heavyweights like on group now. I don't know if you share the same view, Bonds.
Ngicabanga ukuthi Dlamini uteka yona kusikhombisa ukuthi ibhola yethu e-Africa sayithuthuka kangakanani. Siyabona amave ethu ahamba nabadlali labadlala overseas ku-one of the professional countries leswatiwe like your England, your Belgium, your Portugal, your France, your Spain. Nibo lokho sinika ukuthi sikhona lamave ase-Europe nabo-America ukuthi uzowameche pound for pound. Ngicabanga nje ukuthi based on my experience ku-media ngingakhona ukuthi ngilibeke ithemba lami kuyo i-Morocco ukuthi lenye level litazidlalela kahle. Ngibe nebeyithemba i-DRC i-Senegal despite le lose yayo France ukuthi itawuphindze i-regroup. Sibonile nema-Black Stars aseGhana itona aqala kahle aqhumba phasi phana.
Yes, but that was another good result. One of the true wins we have as Africa. Sesingene maybe namhlaba games forward. South Africa again is playing. Badlala ne-Czech namhlanje sibabona khona baqhamuka ngeloss u-first game against Mexico 2-0 down. Badinga hini namuhla?
Yeah, it's a two-tie match kumakhelwane bethu South Africa. Considering ukuthi babuya bobashaya 2-0. Ngicabanga ukuthi umqeqeshi so under pressure nyalo because zothola ama-critics amaningi South Africa tihlole tiyakhala and une-pressure ukuthi uyarle game leni na-2 ama-red cards. Lokuboso wawushido kunasithole wathi red card naThemba Zwane yakungathi Themba Zwane bekunguye umuntu noma bekangakayi kodlala kangako but bekunguye umuntu lengathi spiritual god sabo. Bekunguye umuntu lo kwalithala ngethanda abadlali. Yes. So now going to this game without them kuyi-pressure kakhulu ku-South Africa.
Nabanye ndibakhala kumbe nange-selection vunganze lebayibona ku-game ye-Mexico bo-Apolis baqala ngaphandle komfukeng sangababoni baze badlali bayodle khona le results bakhala ngalabadlali labo ukuthi ubabekile ebenchini basimangangena Apolis kwaba naloyo mehlo
Impact.
ukuthi ingabe this time do you expect him to start these two players?
Ngicabanga ukuthi Nkosi umqeqeshi Bafana Bafana Hugo Cabrusi siwabone ama-mistakes lawo egemini eMexico lapho sambona ngicanga nga-5 ama-defenders. Whether ne-flat footed approach nangayibeka ngesilimi lesibhola but ngicabanga ukuthi namuhla singa-expect ama-changes ukuthi afake abadlali aba-offensive la bafaka bona abo-Police maybe nabo Relebohile Mofokeng nabo bo-Tshepo Moremi ukuthi abanikele lama-attacking options up front.
Yeah, kumbe songabakhumbuta ekhaya mlaleli ukuthi lo mdlalo besikhuluma ngawo ungabani namuhla one of the games la khona namuhla kusukela ka-6 ntambama ukuthi ngabe iBafana Bafana idlala ngalo 6 utshele umlaleli ukuthi wena basaya kubukela la babukela khona kumbe iSouth Africa right now iwinile iSouth Korea siyibonile idla yona iChina labadlala neSouth Africa namuhla yawina iMexico lo kusho ukuthi nabo seyiSouth Africa neCzech labadinga ama-wins and namhla they go head to head. Le game lena kahle kahle kibo i-final then ngicabanga ukuthi bayade na coach we-Czech naye knows ukuthi naye udzinga iwin naye under pressure as much as Bruce under pressure at South Africa and isibonile ke captain wayeBafana Bafana akhala kumbe ukuthi even former players ama-legends ayeBafana Bafana nebadlali nje base South Africa ba criticize kakhulu nanabo like ama-fans also did. Ngicabanga ukuthi konke lokho badlali kumele bakuthathe njani makhawa wena as someone who has played maybe football up to maybe the third tier league lakangwayi. How did you deal with such pressure? Na ungemuntu uyacriticize ukuthi hayi went again. How do you take that at such level at World Cup?
Yeah, going to this game baneshasha bona abacoach abantu lababuyile laba idlala iWorld Cup. Hugo udlalile World Cup bise Mexico le World Cup. Uyidlalile Hemel Mkhalele assistant coach iWorld Cup iFrance. Is I think banako ukuthi bangakhona motivate labadlali. And the team lena ina captain walo ubuya kudlala iClub World Cup. So I don't think ukuthi bangaba ne-pressure ku-motivate labadlali going to this match but umkhulu eSouth Africa iSouth Africa akaze yagcina wina World Cup uyakhumbula yawina first game yabo 2010 so the pressure ikho njalo but as a team there's not a powerhouse Southern Africa.
Yeah.
They want to do better going to this game angayivunazi konsini.
Ngicabanga ukuthi into lo kudekayo iBafana Bafana kubheke ukuthi ente ngeke bese rathi bajika lithawula balahla lithembu. Ngicabanga ukuthi namhla sidabone much improved performance kimi bomakhelwane lesi sinaso sinemaswadi siya-associate nabo basenhlipweni yethu fire phasi nalamanye ama-African countries esinawo kulo mpitsulwana we-FIFA World Cup.
Kunjalo-ke benene cishe niyo umdlalo lo sematheni namuhla noma kungasiwo wona wodwa lokhona ngicabanga ukuthi nitawubuka nanibuka khona ema-fixtures enu namuhla kodwa nje lena lesiyadika othina le kakhulu lesithinzayo iBafana Bafana ingaye 6 PM isikhathi sasekhaya the tabe sesihlashe emehlo sonke sibuka ukuthi iBafana Bafana namuhla ingabe isiphathelene kumbe sibuyeta ekhaya ngoba phela nasekhaya tikhona tindzaba kumele sihle umlaleli sim-update ngato nje singakaphumi kule show yethu benene kunanayo ama-national semi-finals lakhona kusasa eKhilani Stadium SB Instacash School Sports Tournament sesikuma-national finals 4 schools remaining ka-soccer 4 schools remaining ka-netball futhi sithi nga-2 wetikora leti tawuphuma tiye kuma-final adlala mhla ka-3 July lusangakatiwa ukuthi between Somhlolo and Mavuso but-ke wachaza kumbe lo mengameli wakhe Instacash lo sponsor sake school sports ukuthi basabukile nabo tindzaba te-safeguarding tabo safety ukuthi kuyababonile before which of the two venues would be okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi kutawucaca masinyane kusayiwa esibiki nakubuya esibiki tabe sekwateka ukuthi kawudlalwa kuphi kunene ungathini Thawe sibona kumbe ebholeni nje isikole lezi njengeManzini Central sikhale phasi kuma-regional finals sishawa i-St John Bosco lekhona kusasa kuma-national semi-finals in a long time.
Yes, ngicabanga iBosco kuyisipile kakhulu kuthi iRobre ini former player lefana laMbuso Gina the smart kakhulu uGreen Mamba bekangu-physical trainer before that bekanumgashi awashaya amagoli kumsiti kuyisitile iBosco but lenyalo hey wedibana nalomunye umuntu lo lengasi ucoach lo nako kuhlakaniphi
Imponjeni leyo
Imponjeni, yes Yes,
ngemelele isikolo sakahoho
bemele isikole
samele isikhulu i-region yakahoho.
Yes, ngikanzi le game lena it's a final before a final.
Ne.
Yes.
Ya, cishe ngiyona game leyo bayi-highlight. Masilela wabonile emagame etikolwa, wabona nebadlali labaphume khona nalabanye labaseka-Premier League, nalabanye labaka-Premier League labadlala khona letikolweni kwanyalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi yini lo igadzile nje kusasa wona letikolwa, kune-Big Ben High idlala nenhlangano Central lekhiphe kumbe ama-champions last year i-Evelyn Baring kuma-regionals enhlangano.
Ngiyabona.
Yes. Kuthi kusasa yini lo wasithembisa yona ngekuwati kwakho le midlalo ka-Easter Cash likhasa lenawo nensandvo lenawo nenjabulo abantu labayithatha ngayo, it comes with that excitement ukuthi kusasa yini esikayigadza eKilani Stadium.
Ngicabanga ukuthi inkosi bathandi bemidlalo webhola abaye bawubukela lithalenta. So ibonile inzebeleni esikhiphela abadlali abafike khathi bohleliswa kwaGamethi bekafunze eValley Berry lo top scorer M10 Premier League. Quality Dlamini kunsingizini. Lo udlala kwesibili Champions League. Ungababala Innocent Bakule umonene Pirates bekafunza khona emanzini Central. Bomuhle siyaye. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-tournament lena Easter Cash la yendile naye Eswatini School Sports Association kuvusa ibase yebhola ekhaya Eswatini ukuthi asesibile ama-basics akhe badlali labasha labatawaphiza badlala iqhaza lelikhulu kwi-national team isihlangu semnikade.
Ngiyamuva njengoba babala shothi lama games lawa bekunene there's quality. With that you can rest assured you have quality in your hands as per the slogan sazo sponsor Easter Cash. Kumbe singakaphumi nje siphumela kusokha singene kito tenetball tabo bosisi ngoba phela nakhona sibonile ukuthi bachasiwe bosisi nguye kumbe bo-partners bakhe Easter Cash abafana ne-Northwest University naye Joma Sports South Africa bayaswenga nje kusuka yonke top 16 ukuthi lo akalithola ikhitha kaJoma. Kusasa nje kusuka nga-10 nebhola la iqala nga-10 AM first game leke yokuqala i-Big Ben bese kugcina le final before i-final infonjeni ne-Bosco nga-12 before ube i-final nga-2. Ku-netball kutaba eMabhensane High kube ne-Florence Christian leqhamuka eShiselweni kube neNyakatho High bese ibukana neMagubheleni High. Ngicabanga kuStiboshel iNyakatho High ke cishe ngiyo kwanyalo le shaye abantu yakhipha ne-MDS le yendlula kumbe eminyakeni ophelile kwesigaba lesi. But siyayibona ngabe iyathembisa and nobu igame yabo ne-MDS bakhombisa lenye fitness level nale standard sabo sisequlu. Bakhochekile labantu bala ngoba igame lemnanzi nayo le neMagubheleni ita nayo ingenye lenemlandvo la ne-Florence Christian ifuna kwenda wona umlandvo neMabhensane. Lokusho ukuthi asambeni babukele i-CSP balingani bami ngicabanga ukuthi nami sengilokusile sibheka khona eSpeak.
Definitely sesobonana khona eSpeak kusasa.
Kunjalo Nkosi skitiye mabomba abheke khona eKilani Stadium eSpeak.
Hayi noma kanjani babukeli sinivalelise simfisele ukubukela lokuhle yona i-World Cup danibukela khona siyade ukuthi sekuqala yona impela sonto netiphathe kahle niphathe kahle netimali njengoba siyade silabanye sebatfolile kumbe labo bona mnede bekuphela kwenyanga uyisebentele le mali wona kunene iphathe kahle ukhumbule nemndeni wakho sinivalelise sithi Easter Cash National Semi-Finals in your hands tomorrow. Rubicon Sports Show, tune in, don't forget. Thank you.